ATVI, Activision Blizzard Incorporated, is our chart of the day today. And I wanted to show you this chart because it's actually it's a sideways but very volatile type chart, because I wanted to show you how the days are long. So you could have a really great day or you could have a really not so great day, just depending on, well, the day. So the other thing I wanted to show you is the sideways movement of the chart. And we could end up having sideways charts if the market starts to change its direction, and that's a different strategy. But this sideways chart is a little more volatile than I would want it to be, just because of these really long days. That would start to maybe rattle me a little bit because I'm more on the conservative side of things. But I just wanted you to see how you might want to avoid charts like this right now with the market trending upward. But again, if the market did go sideways, and you can see this 30-day moving average is very sideways, you'll see charts like this that are going to go up and down. But I would just watch for ones that have maybe a little shorter days, because that one could be a little bit rattling. So I wanted to show you an example of a chart that's a little bit different than what we've been looking at, just because. And if you ever have charts you want me to look at or do a video on, always let me know. Message me, type in the comments or whatever, and we can look at charts together and we can put this up on my videos also. But anyway, ATVI, this is one that you'd want to be a little more cautious of, even in sideways trading, just like I said. There's better sideways charts, I think, than this one. And then the Dow today, very nice day, up, well, less than 0.5%, lighter in volume in the markets today. So we'll see how it continues on, but started out the first day of 2018 very nicely. So we will continue to watch and see how trading goes. And if you like what you see, and like I said, if you want to look at other charts, message me. And if you like what you see, go to www.simplytradetoday.com. Look around, and we will see you tomorrow.